So, hello everyone, I'm Sanjana MP. So, today I'm going to present my project on food ordering project. Food ordering, it is a food ordering web application. It uses a MERN stack. So, this is a project is developed using a MongoDB and Express.js, React.js and Node.js. So the aim of this project is to build a real-world full-stack applications which focuses on both functionality and as well as user interface. So food delivery platform like online apps are widely used nowadays. So which inspires this projects. Next. So this is a full stack web application where users browses restaurant and interact with the food ordering system. It was also developed as a part of internship to gain some hands-on experience. So the main goal were to understand the full stack development, to build a scalable application and to learn the real world project workflow. So this was my overview of the project. So by this, the Monster food ordering project is one of the web app. So it built as I said, it built using a MongoDB, Express, React as well as Node.js. So then it focuses on real world full stack development. So this internship gained me on hands-on development. Um, yeah. So, what do you mean by MERN stack? MERN. So, M means MongoDB, E means Express, R for React, as well as N for Node.js. So this project uses this alls. So React means it uses to design interactive UI using components. So Node.js it handles the backend server operations, and Express it manages the APIs routing as well as request also. And MongoDB we already know, so it is one of the basic uh, yeah, it is one of the basic collections which is it is used to store an application's data so in a flexible format. So using one language JavaScript, it also makes and development easier to us to build all this. So coming to the features, the main features this include is user login and sign up, and the restaurant browsing as well as food ordering system, so admin panel and user panels. So login means it ensures the secure access by the user or any admins. So restaurant it displays available on the food options. It displays the available food options. So the restaurants contains all the food items and all menus and all. Then admins they manage the system data. So here this is the user and admin panel in our projects. So here user can add the items to the cart. They can also browse the food and order the food, and they can also update the profile and all. So this is the admin panel in our project. So where the admin manages the whole system. Uh, in this menu it is a meal. So the admin can add the items. So when the items will be added, we have added an AI descriptions. Means when the food will be, when we give the name of the food, then the description will be automatically AI description. Means whatever the food we added, it will give the description of it. So no need to add all the description. So the time will be less. So the AI will be automatically it will be add the description. So we have used AI there. So then the admin will be add or delete restaurant. They can manage menus, and they can also generate AI description. We can generate it. Next, coming to the requirements, we have functional and non-functional requirements. So functional means the user authentication. Browsing means we can view the restaurant and all items details dynamically. So in the cart and checkout, we can add the items, update the quantities also, and we can also place the order. So in order tracking, We can view the real-time order status from the um, and from the placement to the delivery. So means how the system do. Okay, that is the functional requirement. So for non-functional requirement means how the system will be performing and all. So it ensures the security, performance, responsiveness as well as scalability. So this ensures both functionally and quality. Functional also, it also ensures the quality also. First, the architecture. The system follows a client-server architecture where React is used in frontend, Express and Node.js is used in backend, and MongoDB in database. All the communication is happened through the APIs. When the user sends the request for a login and all, first the React will from the UI component, then it will go to routes and all, then it will go to store the user's name, email or the password and all. So then from the user it will come the response to the user that it is successfully logged in or it is successfully registered. So next, this is the backend implementation what we have used here. So we have used REST API routes, JWT middleware, BC script password hashing. So in this, all the password will be encrypted before storing and all. And here MongoDB and Mongoose, which is the schemas for the restaurant order as well as some menus also. Next we used cloud hashing, means MongoDB Atlas. It is used for cloud based. It manages the database in there. So in this, the REST APIs, this is the routes for users, orders, as well as menus. So the JWT authentication, it is to secure the login, and BC script, it is for password encryption and all. So these ensure the secure and efficient backend operations and all. So next, in database, MongoDB, it is used in the database here. So data is stored in the collections like users, orders and restaurants. And then Mongoose is used for schema designing. So Mongoose we will be using for schema designing, and then the CRUD operations will be performed. Then MongoDB Atlas, it is used for cloud hosting, making it scalable as well as reliable and all. So, what are the challenges we performed in this project? Is during this development, some challenges we have faced, that is managing the authentication. So then handling the states in front end, optimizing the queries and all, designing the responsive UI. So these were solved using proper tools like context API and optimized queries. So then in the conclusion, this project successfully demonstrated a full stack food ordering system using a MERN stack. So it helped in understanding the front end, back end as well as the database integrations. So this improved my skills in full stack development, API designs and database management and all. So thank you for your attention. So I'm happy to answer any questions from this. So now I am going to start a demo. Now I will be demonstrating the project. So this is my project home page. So here I can successfully log in or log out. So I already log in here. So we can use login. I have already had an ID. If we are new user to it, we can go and register here. So now I will give a name etc, and here a.com and we can also give the phone number here. So we can register here. Then it will show a pop-up message, register has been successfully. Then it will show welcome. Next, so if we registered once, so if we log out also, we can use by logging in. Okay, we can also log in by that email ID what we have registered now. So like this. Now we will come to this home page. These are all the restaurants we have now. So when we go to the restaurants, we can see. So we can see the items and all here. So we can add to cart here and all. So there are so many items in the restaurant. So if we add these items to the cart, so it will be adding this. If we want these item in more quantity, means we can add like this, and then we will add this item to the cart also. So when we view the cart, so the what and all we have ordered and from which restaurant we have ordered, it will be displayed here. So if we want this quantity, or if we don't want this quantity, we can delete here. If we want less, we can also reduce this. If we don't want this, we can reduce this. So then when we go to the checkout, so the payment will be happened here. So this is the payment, where the total will be displayed here, and we can also give the names and all for the address. So here for project purpose, we will give a number, card number, where we can use this. And this is so after doing this payment process, then the order will be come here. Your order has been paid successfully. So if we want to see the orders whatever and all we have, so we have from this restaurant and what and all items we have, and then you can view the items what we have ordered. So this, so in the profile also we can view our order. So in profile we can also update our name and all. By this I will give a name. So if I click on update, so then it will be update our profile. So this was the user panel what we have seen here. So next we will come to the, so this is the user panel what we have seen now. So in the database, what and all users and food items will be stored here in the form of this. So how many users are logged in and all, it will be stored here. So these many have logged in, so it will show here. So now what I updated the profile, it also updated here also. So first I gave XYZ and I updated it to my name. So then it is also updated in the database also. So this was the username I have previously logged in. So if you want, you can also change the role of this to user to admin. Means this this ID will be maintaining the restaurant and all like that. I will log out here. I will log in through this is my admin panel's ID, and I will log in here. So I already registered, so I can easily log in here. So this is the admin panel, so where we can delete these restaurants all. So this is simply I added the restaurant. If you don't want this, we can delete this restaurant. So okay, so like this, if we want to add the restaurant, we can add here. So yeah, we will add one of the restaurant, one momos. So this I will give it is usage also. So anything latitude or longitude we can give here. So to add an image of the restaurant, we can go here. So image. Okay, I can copy this image link and I can paste here. So then I can create the restaurant here. Okay. So then the restaurant will be available here as the Momo corner. So we can also here I have not given still the ratings and reviews, so it is empty here. If we want to add another restaurant, we can add here, and then if we add items in this, we can add category like meal dish, or can give special moments. Okay, we can create. So these are the menus here. If you want to add an item, you can give here. So now in the new restaurant, I am giving here the name. I am going to add a new item to it. So now I am going to add a special momo. So in this restaurant, tandoori momos is a special here. So if I give as 170, 150 rupees. So description I have to think here, but in the place of this, if we present AI description, so this is the AI where we used here. If we press this AI description, it will automatically take the description of what we have entered this food item. Means it will be given the description of tandoori momos and all. So I will give stock only 4 plates, and for this image URL we can copy paste the link. Yeah. So here I set the tandoori momos. So by this we can go and copy the image link here, and next we can paste the image. Okay, then we are going to add. So if we go on refresh, so if we refresh the pages, so here it will be available like this. What we added, the tandoori momos, the description will be given by AI, and we have given the rate as well as this stock. In stock we have given, so I have given 4 plates and all. The image also came here. So if we see this is came in the user or not, so I will be log out here. Where's my wallet? Logging here from this. Yeah. So in the user panel, what in how like I added the Momo corner in admin restaurant. So then user panel it can be shown here. So it can be shown by Momo's corner with images and all. If we click, then also the tandoori momos will be available here. So like this we can add or remove the restaurants from the admin panel only. So this is the database where we can use here it will show the card system, how the items can be, how the items is stored here. So this is a cart item, or here it is stored, and food items it will be stored here. Means what are the food items, it is there in all the restaurant, it will be stored here like this. Okay, so we can use this, and we can also modify this, the stocks and all, and also the ratings also we can modify here in the database. And then if we go to the project and click refresh, then it will be available there in the ratings and all. So next the menus it will also store in this database. Orders also will be stored here like this. Means what and all we have ordered till now will be shown like this. So now we have ordered this, right? So we can edit here. So if we in the processing we can click and we can click update here. So then in this project, so here only we can go to the orders. So if we view here, so it will become like this, already delivered. So we can also change this in our database also. So like this, also the restaurant's name and restaurant's name also will be available here. You can add directly here, and also who are the user logged in here, we can add like this. If so, what is the previous ID I have logged in, I can also change this user to the admin. Okay, so means this user can manage the restaurant and all. Like this we can change in the database. And yeah, this was my whole food ordering project. We can also make payment, we can also add restaurants. So in the admin panel, if you don't want this restaurant, if you delete, then the restaurant will be deleted here. So this is what my food ordering project I have developed. So thank you very much.